Walking 10,000 steps a day is complete garbage for fixing your posture, and it's wasting 90 minutes of your life every single day. For 30 days, I completely ditched my daily walking habit and replaced it with a targeted 6-minute desk reset routine. Look, if you're sitting in an office chair for 8 hours, walking on a treadmill isn't going to magically undo your locked up hips or fix your forward head posture. It just stacks repetitive stress on top of an already broken frame. I wanted to see if I could eliminate chronic lower back pain and pull my shoulders back using 3 specific mechanical triggers without wasting hours on useless low-intensity cardio. The visual results at week 4 completely shocked me. Be honest down in the comments right now. How many times have you set a goal to hit 10,000 steps, felt like a productivity king for 3 days, and then realized your lower back still felt like crushed glass every time you stood up from your desk? Drop your current step average below. I want to see how many of you are trapped on this hamster wheel, because I was that guy. I bought the walking pad. I tracked every single step on my smartwatch like a maniac. I was pacing back and forth in my living room at 10 p.m. just to hit an arbitrary number on an app. And the result? My hip flexors were still so tight, they were pulling my pelvis into a permanent tilt. My neck still protruded 2 inches in front of my collarbones like a confused turtle. I was spending an hour and a half every day to build 0 muscle, burn a pathetic handful of calories, and retain the exact same slouched desk posture. It was a complete waste of time. Until I realized posture isn't a cardio problem. It's a mechanical shutdown problem. When you sit for 8 hours, 3 things happen simultaneously. Your hip flexors lock into a shortened position, your glutes literally forget how to fire, a phenomenon called gluteal amnesia, and your thoracic spine freezes up like rusty iron. Walking 10,000 steps with locked hips and dead glutes just forces your lower back to absorb every single foot strike. You're not fixing the car, you're just driving it with a bent axle. So I built a simple 3-part daily protocol that takes exactly 6 minutes. 3 specific hacks, 0 equipment. Hack number 1, the couch stretch release. Think of your hip flexors like a rubber band that's been tied in a knot for 8 hours. If you try to stretch it lazily, nothing happens. But when you anchor your back knee against a wall and squeeze the glute on that same side, you trigger reciprocal inhibition. That's a fancy neurological term which basically means forcing one muscle to contract automatically forces its opposite to release. 60 seconds per side. The payoff? Instant relief on your lumbar spine because your hips stop yanking your lower back forward. Hack number 2, the standing glute bridge. You can't just stretch the front, you have to wake up the back. Yeah, but I do squats, you're thinking. Doesn't matter. Squats don't fix neurological shutdown from a Herman Miller chair. By driving your hips forward and holding a maximum glute contraction at the top for 5 seconds, you force your brain to reestablish the neural pathway to your posterior chain. Hack number 3, the thoracic extension reset. Most guys try to fix forward head posture by pulling their neck back. Don't be that guy. Your neck is just following the curvature of your upper back. By placing your elbows on your desk, keeping your hands behind your head, and driving your chest toward the floor, you decompress the thoracic spine. That's your thoracic cavity opening up, allowing your head to naturally glide back over your shoulders. Now, if you're sitting there right now feeling that light bulb moment, realizing you've been wasting hours on 10,000 steps when all you needed was 6 minutes of actual biomechanics, hit that subscribe button right now. I don't do 40-minute fluff videos or bro science splits. Every week, I break down minimalist, high-efficiency training protocols designed specifically for busy guys who want real results without living in the gym. Subscribe so you don't miss the next protocol. Now, real talk. Squeezing your glutes and stretching your thoracic spine isn't the only thing you need to keep your body optimized when you're working 50 hours a week. Staying consistent with your health when you're drowning in spreadsheets requires stripping away every single piece of friction. And that's exactly why I started streamlining my entire daily routine, from my movement protocols down to my daily nutrition. When you're trying to fix your frame and keep your energy high without spending 2 hours meal prepping dry chicken and rice, you need tools that just work. I've been using a clean, zero-fluff daily nutrition stack that takes literally 30 seconds in the morning. No synthetic junk, no fillers, just raw essentials that keep inflammation down so my joints actually recover while I work. If you want to check out the exact setup I use to keep my baseline locked in, hit the link down in the description. So here's the smart way to put this into action. Here is the exact week-by-week protocol I tested for 30 days. Week 1, the de-inhibition phase. Do the couch stretch for 60 seconds per side, twice a day. Once at noon, once right after work. Don't worry about workouts yet. Just unknot the rubber band. Week 2, the activation phase. Keep the stretch, but add 10 reps of the standing glute bridge with a 5-second isometric hold right after. You will feel your glutes burning within 3 reps. Good. That means your brain is waking up. Week 3 and 4, the full integration. Combine the stretch, the glute activation, and finish with 90 seconds of thoracic extensions. 6 minutes total, every single day, right before lunch or immediately after your workday ends. By day 30, my lower back stiffness was completely gone. My standing height was up half an inch simply from standing straight, and I reclaimed 84 minutes of my day every single afternoon. Stop pacing around your bedroom trying to hit 10,000 steps like a hamstrung marathoner. If you want to see how I fixed my entire upper body training split using only 2 minimalist exercises a week, click the video on screen right now. Stop lifting like a bodybuilder, start training like a human being.